Today we're installing factory air struts on a Toyota Prius. Our air struts are exactly the same as the factory. Just remove your old, bolt in the new, and use them for towing, load leveling, raising, whatever you wish.
Air Baggett's air struts are simple to install. Just remove the strut from the vehicle. Remove any brake lines, ABS sensors, sway bar end links, and anything else that is attached to the strut. Remove the strut from the spindle. In most cases, you're going to reuse the factory upper strut mount. For demonstration, I've already removed the spring. But when you remove the strut mount, inspect the thrust bearing. Make sure that it will contact the snout of the new air strut. Installation is simple. Bolts right on. Reinstallation of the air strut is just as simple as removal of the original strut was. Attach the strut to the spindle. Reattach the sway bar. And reattach the brake line and ABS sensor clips.